Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, I got something kind of strange, kind of interesting for you. As you can see from the box, it's from the Mossy Oak guys. You know, I took a chance on this one, and I don't know. But stay tuned. We're gonna roll that intro and get into it. Alrighty, so as you saw by that intro, we're going to take a look at something strange today. Now, those of you who have been longtime viewers of my channel know I really love karambits. I saw this on Amazon and I went, it can't be that bad. 2 karambits by Mossy Oak. And I figured, what the heck, let's bring them to the channel. Now, what gets me is you get a fixed blade, and I'll be honest with you, not really liking the paracord wrap on that, but we'll get in that one in a moment. And, oops, sorry. You get a folder. Okay? So, let's break these down like we usually do with the stats. And we're going to start with the fixed blade, okay? Now, I'll start with the sheath. It's cheap. It's flimsy. I wouldn't trust it worth a crap. If I'm going to carry that for any length of time, I think I'm going to go with Kydex. It's a cheap nylon kind of sheath. You know, it's got that one single belt loop thing. It's got that Velcro holder, and it's got like a little hard plastic type substance on the back to try to keep you from stabbing yourself. Now, here's the fixed blade. All right. I wonder if you can see a problem I saw right away. Maybe this. When you're holding it, how it gets in the way. You see, for me, it's not too bad because the way it's built for a really bigger hand. So I really don't need to use the finger ring that much. But I'm going to give you the stats on this guy like I always do. It's got an overall length of 7.25 inches. The blade is 2.5 inches, and that's what kills me is, well, I hope they're not going from there to there. I hope they're going right there because that's the blade to me. It has the 1-inch finger ring. Now, I get the paracord wrap. Okay, it gives a little bit of comfort. You're not holding on to a skeletonized thing. I get it, all right? But the way they ended it up, it interferes. Oh, and the weight, it's approximately about 3.2 ounces. I think it's a little bit more than that because it actually feels a bit heavier than that. It's not like a 6-ouncer, but I'm betting it's more like 4.5, but they say it's 3.2. Now, the steel on this one, as well as the folder, is 440 high-carbon stainless steel. Okay? It's got a little bit of an edge to it. I mean, it's sharp, but what kills me is they're like, even when it's dull, it's going to cut. I'm like, no, it's not, unless you just put a lot of force in there and you're going to hurt yourself. But now, let's move on over to the folder. It's got the same length overall of 7.25, and it says the blade is 2.5. Guys, it doesn't look the exact same. Now, I get it. You go from here around there, but when you look at it, which blade looks bigger? Okay. It's got the same 1-inch finger ring, but with this one, I guess you could call that a lanyard hole. And you go, alrighty, what the hell? It's got a liner lock. It is 1-position carry, you know, tip down. There's a clip. Now, what I did like, it's not plastic. Even though it sounds it's not. They say it's G10 scales. It doesn't have that plastic, you know, that, how'd they put it, like resin-infused nylon or glass-infused nylon? Yeah, no, it actually feels a little bit different. Okay? This one actually came pretty damn sharp. I've been playing with this one a little bit, honestly, because we watched the Forge and Fire mini marathon the other day here, and they had the episode where they had karambits on there. My daughter just loves them. So it's just kind of cool to have something in your hand that your daughter's like, Daddy, it's cool. At least for me being a father. Now, like I said, I found them on Amazon. Both of these together are going to run you $14.99. So it's not like you're buying like a Fox Blades Karambit, which is going to run you upwards of $100. Might be good little getting started, getting a good feel to it. You know, it's got an over-exaggerated hawkbill blade. You know, like I said, I love Karambits. I couldn't find it on Mossy Oak's website, but that doesn't surprise me considering a lot of their, I don't want to call them promo items or giveaway items, they're not on their website. I did find it over on eBay for $18.31. Now, over on Amazon, it's rated 4.3 out of 5 stars. Biggest complaint people are yelling and screaming about is the blade steel. Well, I should say 1, the blade steel. 2, the price. And 3, they go, that's not G10. There's no way that can be G10. I don't know. It doesn't have the plastic feel. It's got a good feel on the folder. It really, truly does. But, you know, that's my quick overlook on it. All right? I want to know what you think. Yeah, you. And even you. I want to know what you think. Down below in the comment section. Leave me questions, comments, love, hatred. Leave me anything. I love reading them. Love responding to them. If you are a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to thank you so much for finding us and giving us a moment of your day. Now over here, you're going to be seeing a symbol popping up. Go ahead and click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. I'm going to beg you, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Go ahead, subscribe. We are a newer channel. We're doing our best to be a scrappy little insurgency, and we can appreciate all the love you can give us. Now, with that being said, right next to the subscribe, after you smash that, you're going to see a bell icon. Please click on that. That is going to notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube's going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. So there we go, guys. A quick look at the Mossy Oak 2-piece Tactical Karambit Hawkbill knife set. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.